A small group of Rustenburg residents marched on the municipal offices, demanding a solution to their ongoing water problems. They've experienced water interruptions for years now, and it's partially blamed on a lack of infrastructure maintenance.
The water losses in Rustenburg is substantial. It's 56% of all the water that they purchase from Rand Water and Magalies Water. Their own calculations indicate that it's a value for the last 12 months of 312 million rand. That 312 million rand must be filtered into tariffs, and the community say no more. It is not acceptable. We are actually paying for poor management.
At times, residents can go without water for days, especially in high-lying areas where the water doesn't reach them due to a lack of water pressure.
Many houses have no water in between 4 o'clock in the morning and 11 o'clock at night. Many houses are lucky to have water for 2 or 3 hours in a day. They do send water tankers around. It is impossible to supply everybody with a water tanker.
The municipality says it is aware of the problems and is addressing them.
These are genuine demands. These are not jokes. These are genuine demands. Everybody's crying about water. And we accept the mistake caused by this municipality.
Authorities have promised to respond to the residents' demands within 7 days.